Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an overlay to your picture on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select the picture you want to edit. Slide to the right side down below until you find the overlay button. Click on it. Down below you can find a bunch of categories that you can choose from, such as atmospheric, lighting, lens flare, party, light leaks, sparkles, textures, festive, golden hour, and so on. And here within category you can find the available overlay options, and you can adjust them by using the slide and by moving one fingers so that you can position it within the screen. You can check out the difference between the original and the produced picture by clicking on the contrast button down below on the right side corner. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.